take a look at this story. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal came like a startup that took over national politics, starting off from Delhi exactly a decade ago, just over a decade ago. Two thumping victories in Delhi suggested that Mr. Kejriwal was poised not just for dominance of the national capital, but also to become a national leader. Today, he not only lost Delhi, but also his re-election bid from the New Delhi seat to former two-time BJP MP Parvesh Verma. Take a look at this report.
The Kejriwal fell by more than 4,000 votes. The Aam Aadmi, the common man. Arvind Kejriwal's dream run with electoral politics hits the wall from where he now has to etch a new path.
अब जो जनता ने हमें निर्णय दिया है, हम न केवल एक कंस्ट्रक्टिव ऑपोजिशन का रोल निभाएंगे, बल्कि हम समाज सेवा, जनता के सुख दुख में काम आना, व्यक्तिगत तौर पे जिसको भी जो ज़रूरत होगी, हम लोगों के सुख दुख में हमेशा काम आएंगे, क्योंकि हम राजनीति में कोई सत्ता के लिए नहीं आए.
Nearly 12 years since Arvind Kejriwal's dream debut in election, he stood defeated, and his party, after a dream run of 3 consecutive terms, now has to sit in the opposition bench in Delhi Assembly.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी को कहना चाहता हूं, मोदी जी, इस जन्म में तो आप हमको नहीं हरा सकते दिल्ली के अंदर आम आदमी पार्टी को. आपको दूसरा जन्म लेना पड़ेगा, इस जन्म में तो नहीं हरा सकते आप आम आदमी पार्टी को दिल्ली में.
2 years later, Arvind Kejriwal is humbled by the personal defeat, but his party still has Delhi Municipal Corporation and a government in Punjab with roughly 2 years of rule left.
The Delhi defeat mandate has a message for the Aam Aadmi Party that Arvind Kejriwal has to reinvent himself and his politics. It also has a message for Arvind Kejriwal that he has to earn his credibility. And also, the public mandates Aam Aadmi Party to sit in opposition and serve Delhi as an opposition party in the national capital.
अरविंद केजरीवाल, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं.
Arvind Kejriwal rose as the anti-corruption crusader riding on Anna Hazare's movement. But when the time came to decide to be part of the system, to change it from within, Anna stepped away. But Arvind Kejriwal decided to take the plunge.
आज इस मंच से हम ऐलान करना चाहते हैं कि हाँ, हम अब चुनाव लड़के दिखाएंगे आपको.
Delhi repeatedly voted him back and stood firmly behind him, even when he failed to spread his wings. The city took him under its wings and allowed him to heal and get back on his feet. It voted him back in 2020, right before the COVID pandemic hit, with a slight reduced mandate of 62.
मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं.
But despite 2 consecutive absolute majority mandates, it was thrown away. Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal, riding on Delhi high, won Punjab. But in Delhi, they remained mired in a tussle of power with the LG and the central government. And then came the blow of corruption charges. The liquor gate opened the gate of downfall for the party and its maverick common man leader.
मैं बार-बार बताते गया, लेकिन उनके दिमाग में नहीं आया है. उसमें शराब की बात क्यों आ गई? पैसा, धन और दौलत इसमें बह गया है.
BJP slapped him and his party with the luxurious CM residence building scam.
मैं भी कोई शीश महल बना सकता था. लेकिन मेरे लिए तो मेरे देशवासियों को पक्का घर मिले, यही एक सपना था।
Congress joined the attack.
पहले आए थे, छोटी सी गाड़ी थी, कहा था नए तरीके की राजनीति करूंगा और कहा था कि साफ राजनीति लाऊंगा। और सबसे बड़ा लिकर का स्कैम दिल्ली में हुआ है और उनके घर की आपने फोटो देख ली।
In the end, the voters of Delhi rejected Arvind Kejriwal. But his party is not rooted out of Delhi. Arvind Kejriwal himself has lost for the first time and given a reprieve to rebuild. That's the lesson his voters have delivered to him with this verdict. With Ashutosh Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.